If you're cooking on the Blackstone without these 5 tools, you're working twice as hard and half the flavor. But let's fix that. After cooking thousands of meals on the Blackstone, I found these accessories are non-negotiables. They save time, improve flavor, and make cleanup a breeze. Let's get into it. Starting off strong with number 1 is this extra wide spatula. The regular spatula doesn't cut it for smash burgers or pancakes. This is an extra heavy weighted spatula that helps scoop off everything in one shot. Number 2 accessory is squeeze bottles. One for your oil, one for your water. This is an absolute must-have. The oil helps with seasoning, the water helps with steaming. I particularly like these 2 bottles because the oil, I am so clumsy, and in order for it to come out, you have to squeeze the bottle. The water bottle, I love this one because I'm always running out of water, and this is a very big water. You have to undo it, and then the water comes out. On to number 3. Accessory number 3, let's talk domes. Cheese won't melt evenly, veggies cook too slow. Let's dome it up. Whether you want a fancy one with a handle like this, or do you just want a foil pan like this one, domes are great for keeping heat in, your veggies nice and steamed up, your cheese gets nice, that right nice melt onto it, or you just want to keep your food warm. These are great to use. On to number 4. Number 4 is grill scrapers. These are going to be your best friend. This is what makes cleaning your Blackstone so easy. It takes less than 30 seconds to take the steam water and wipe it away. This also acts as a cutting your meat if you have like ground beef or anything like that. Just chop it up. This one particular is my favorite. It's my favorite because this has a little bottle opener, but this one is actually heavy duty and it scrapes is nice and easy. The key to scraping off your Blackstone in 30 seconds is to make sure your Blackstone is nice and warm. These also work, but I particularly like this one with the long handle. On to number 5. Number 5, and my favorite, is this grill press. I didn't think I really needed this at first, but once I got it, I knew this was a must-have. Not only is this great for your smash burgers, but you could press down your bacon and make it nice and crisp. I really love using this for steak, get that nice sear on it. This is an absolute must-have. And pro tip, you put some wax paper right underneath onto the bottom, and it helps with not sticking. These are my top 5 must-have Blackstone accessories. Which one are you using already? Drop it in the comments and let me know if I missed one. Catch you on the next one.